Hello! Today we are going to explore the first grade website. This is a one-stop shop for everything that you need to be successful in first grade as a learner and a learning coach. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the star button at the top. That adds it to favorites. Whether or not you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, it still will be a star. Then you can click on this favorites drop-down menu and it will show up. Easy access, so you don't have to try to find it in your emails every time. When you scroll down the first grade page, you'll find information about upcoming events, expectations, behavior expectations, and helpful links like EPIC, ExactPath, the school calendar, and how to get help. When you go all the way back up to the top, you'll find something that says CC Supplies. What does that mean? Well, CC is short for Class Connect, and when you click on that, you'll see the upcoming schedule or current schedule depending on where you are in the week. It will show you what we're planning on learning and have a file that you can download that shows what you need for the week. Go up to the top again and you can click on Spelling List. This is the spelling list for the week, and there are some helpful ways to practice in order to be prepared for the test on Friday. Click on Journal Prompts, and you have your journal prompts for the week. Students are expected to write in their journal every day. They can complete it on Nearpod, and they can complete it on paper. If they complete it on paper, they will have to add it as a picture. There is a video on how to add a journal photo to the Nearpod activity. It's important that teachers see your writing. Now you click on the More tab, and when you click on the More tab, there is a drop-down menu. We're going to explore teachers first. You'll be able to find information about the first grade teaching team. We all work together to make sure that you can learn at your very best. There's your Class Connect schedule that lets you know your Class Connect schedule each day. And there's information about the writing projects that we do. We do a writing project quarterly. Right now, we're working on our Animal Museum digital project. That's our PowerPoint presentation. And there's a helpful video on how to make it and a picture of the rubric, which is our expectations for student performance on it. There's also a link to the help videos that we have created as a team in order to help you understand how to do things. Right now we have a few, but we will be adding more. The PowerPoint presentation and how to add photos to your Nearpod. We're going to go back to the home page. I am so glad that you took the time to view this video, and hopefully this will help you be successful.